They are dragging Kobana chief priest, Davido's close friend here in Nigeria, like I pass my neighbor, generator, while Davido is on vacation enjoying himself. This is another hidden part of Davido we have not seen on the internet. Watch the video as he cooks for his wife, friends, and family.
One what? Both sides. Sorry. That makes you run it straight to. Like here. This one. Okay, that's right there. Both. Twice the pressure, go back and forth. Now do the same thing on the next side. Try to swap it over. And you're going to repeat that same process. Yes. Same thing on the next side. And you're going to take that same pepper. Go ahead with the same pepper here. Go all between the paws. Anywhere you see flesh, try to get that seasoning in there. Anyway. You don't have to use all of it. Just some you over there. No, you can. Go ahead, place it back into this pan, and you're gonna cut your lime in half. Squeeze the lime all over. I'm good. We're coming around with some more pepper if you would like it. Not really. A little bit more. Also, come in the front view, rock it up. Here it comes. Alright, good. We're going to take our oxtail. Now, we are ready to cook our shit on oxtail. Take it all of them. We're ready to put it right in. Take all those oxtails, bring it to the pot. On the outside, around the pot, around the stove, drop it right in. Number two, slow fry. That's how you a little bit more. Also, top. In the front view, lock it up. Here it comes. Alright, good. We're going to take our oxtail. Now, we are ready to cook our oxtail. Take it all of them. We're ready to put it right in. Take all those oxtails, bring it to the pot. We're going to pour into the pot. Our food ready. Step that over. There's a container that has bell pepper, onion, thyme, garlic, beans, double all the potatoes. Let's get it in one. No. It's that one. That's it. It's like chopped, yeah. And we start off with the root. We added any onion peppers, garlic, and thyme around our give the flavor. Now we add
I almost did it myself.
Popular blogger Kutuju said that Davido has gotten another new house in London last month to hey, name of particular area withheld for security reasons. Congratulations to David and thanks for making my booga go higher, son. Some of his colleagues dey there dey shade am, dey there dey troll am, dey there dey drag am, but Davido with his silence he is winning. You see the way Davido balance work and family. When Lagos State Governor called other artists and Davido's name was not in the list, people were trolling him. Hey, people, no kind of name that did not call this guy. But look at it. A married man knows that he must have time for his family. He is on vacation with his family, oh, even highly his daughter.
Where's my suitcase?
I like my suitcase.
You like my suit? Yes. What else?
The future.
What else? What else?
Flying car, flying Tesla, flying people.
Flying beer.
Davido is becoming a better man day by day. Each day that passes by unlocks new version of Davido. Chioma, wherever you are, let me give you this accolade. If nobody don't tell you, me self I go tell you, say you really tried. Like your handwork, it dey show for Davido body. Your face show, your shoe shine. Hey, aside from that, where you are raised, I mean, the family one comes from matters a lot because it plays a vital role in your life as a single person, as a married person. If you are raised in a family where they did not show you love, no, you do not even witness or taste love a bit, it will surely reflect because you can't give what you don't have at all. You cannot fake it now. Davido, keep doing you. Chioma, keep up the good works. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my Tony subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Kemi. Bye.